Hey guys, welcome back to Army of Two. I'm here with Chubby Bunny, and so yeah, what are we doing? I need to figure out the buttons again. Oh crap. That is shooting. Thanks for explaining that to me. Oh, there we go. Select is to show where the mission is. So I'm gonna go this way.
Sam, is that you?
Oh,
Shit, it's Tyson Rios.
I never thought I'd see you again.
yeah, mine's big guy.
You okay?
Looks worse than it is. I'll be alright. Hey, what's it been, like 10 years?
Longer since Somalia.
Are you picking him up or are we dead? Oh, Jesus. Down.
There they are. Hit them. Go. Take that position.
Ooh.
Don't let them out.
Thanks for protecting my back.
One down. What? The other.
Jesus. Hey. Where are you? Why are you getting shot at? Should we just kind of protect him? Or... I'm a bit confused actually. Did good. Helicopter. Oh no. Oh, it's coming to pick us up, I guess.
Listen, I'm sorry about the shit I said back there. You guys did a great job today.
It's all good, man. It was good to see you again after all these years.
Yeah, be safe, bro. You too. We'll grab a beer when this war is over, you son of a bitch.
Yes, we will. Yes, we will. Rios to Murray. Mission accomplished. Eisenhower's on the chopper. Should we proceed to extraction ourselves or...
Holy
Good
shit!
Lord.
Oh, Jesus.
What happened?
That's Eisenhower's chopper.
Eisenhower's helicopter, it just blew up.
Shit. I'll call the DOD. Over and out.
Well. Bummer.
I can't believe it.
Thank you.
We just intercepted a radio transmission. Ali Seth claiming responsibility for blowing up the helicopter. We traced the transmission to a village near your position.
Okay. Let's go.
Aside from Dalton, we're like the only ones left alive from our squad.
Except Pedro.
4 guys out of 10. That's not good odds.
War is a dangerous thing.
Overkill. Go back. I hear mine. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you can come forward now.
You
Oh,
want to die
right there.
with honor!
Sneak round, go. You're invisible. You have to get out there somehow. Whoa. Got him.
There they are, on the main road.
Hi. Someone's shooting us and I don't know who. I'm gonna go over here. Over here.
Salem, step jump, over here.
Alright. Ready? Oh, wait.
Let me help you up.
Shoot them. I can only see a foot. Kill them? Or pull up yourself. And help me out.
Nice, come on, I'll help you up.
Hey man. Shoot that. Whoa. Jesus. I need to get more secret.
Open fire with that machine gun.
Oh, that guy's dead. Oh. Not this time. Where am I gonna go? This way. Right. here in the army.
Right. What was that?
Leo, Salem, just getting word that the U.S. Army found the source of the radio broadcast and launched a smart missile at the building. Did you guys see anything? Over.
Yeah. We heard it. Over.
Okay, well, that's your objective. Search the impact area for any sign of a Lee assess. Over and out.
Ow, help. Help me.
Oh, shit. Didn't let you get, Elliot.
We do learn to be careful.
Never. Press X.
Ooh, does that feel
We
good?
can not to press X. Now I have to walk real fucking slowly. God damn it. This was a waste of good
Bet we can get
freaking
inside through the
overkill.
roof.
There we go. Go, 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 go. Anything out there? Good thing is that we were meant to go up here.
Put up on the second floor. Attack!
Oh, no, that'd be in here. Not much. Might be going down here. Hi.
Everybody better stand clear.
You hear about this bill they're talking about?
What bill?
To privatize the military. You know, they want to replace the entire army with contractors like us.
It ain't gonna pass. They always talk about shit like that, but it never passes.
Might be this way. This bunker, I'm guessing. I don't know. Well, that was crazy. Welcome to my underground lair. Throw grenades. Oh, he's already dead. He's hugging a pole.
Get
Well,
him
at
on me,
least
bro.
humans and poles can get along. Help. Where did you get that from? Okay, go behind you. Go. That's good. Okay. Here we go. Oh, there's a ladder here.
Do you think he knew something? Who? Eisenhower. You think that's why they killed him?
What are you, nuts, man?
They singled him out. They knew he was the one in that chopper. He knew something. They couldn't let him get back to the base.
Who's they? What's with you and all these conspiracy theories? He was in the wrong place at the wrong time. Simple as that.
Oh. Wait for you.
Let me help you out.
Fat lump.
Shift.
Get that chopper. It's one of ESF's lieutenants. Do not let him get away.
Okay.
You're down.
Shoot the explosive barrel. Where is it? Oh, good shot. Thank you for defending me.
Whoever was in the chopper made a cellular
Yes, I
call
did.
to ESF himself. I was able to trace it, and I just got his location.
Ah,
It's an Iraqi
kill him.
military base a few miles away. I'm gonna ping out your GPS. Over.
Help. Oh no. No. Help me out here. Just sitting here. Why are you falling over? Help me out. Ah, she's doing this. See you later, guys.